All right, so we are here looking at the unit. I'm going to show you guys how to properly clean out the drain line. So on this system, we do have a float switch right here. So we always want to check that, make sure that it is dry in there. There is some soot in there, so it does look like there was water in there at one point, but there is not today. You always want to make sure that that is empty and does not have any water in there. If there is water in there, that float switch will trip and cause the system to not run. This is where my cap was on the main drain right here. I'm going to take that off. I'm going to use my drain cleaner that I have with me here. I do use this on all my jobs. I swear by this stuff. It works great. Kills any algae, any buildup, any sludge in the lines, and solves any drain issues that I've ever had. I'm going to dump probably about 1/8 of a gallon down here, just to make sure the drain is flowing properly. We did see a little buildup in the drain. Now it did go through, so we are having some sludge in there. And now you could hear it just push itself out. So this does look like it did clear the line, but we are gonna suck with a shop vac from the inside as well as the outside to make sure it's clear. Holy moly, look at all that sludge that came out of there. There is a lot of sludge that came out of that line. That is disgusting. That drain cleaner did push that out, but I am going to, you can see it's still coming out now. I am gonna suck this drain out, and I am also gonna show you upstairs what you wanna hear through the drain line once this is on and running with the shop vac down here. What I am gonna do is cut this PVC back past the fitting here, so I can fit my shop vac right over this hose, and I can let it run, and I can go upstairs and make sure that we can hear it sucking. The other thing you want to make sure before I turn this shop vac on, you won't be able to hear me. Try to keep any debris, keep this out of the ground. So when this sits in the ground, that's when the junk builds up and causes more issues. All right, I am now back upstairs. You can hear it. Shop vac's running outside. Drain line is pulling. Put your finger in there, you can feel that the drain line is clear. You can hear it. I'm gonna put this cap back on, because now it'll pull from the drain pan on the indoor air handler evaporator coil pan. We wanna make sure that's cleaned. So the piece that I did cut off, I put a coupler on it. I am gonna couple this back together for the drain, and then I am gonna flush water through this because this is the trap for the unit. I wanna make sure that we have water in the trap and it's primed so we don't have a water issue upstairs. So now that I have cleaned the drain out, and I know it's clean because we could hear the shop vac upstairs, I'm gonna fill the drain with water to make sure that we prime the trap outside, and we will go outside just to confirm that water is leaking down and that it is clear water, and we should be good to go. Homeowners, do this on a regular basis. Suck your drain lines out. It'll save you hundreds of dollars from hiring an HVAC company to come out to just clean your drain line. Drain line is clean, water's clean. Looks like what we dumped in. This one's ready for another 100,000.